Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the satellite system's usage on your Garmin Edge 540. First of all, let's scroll down to menu. And once we reach it, press OK. Here we're going to have to select activity profiles. Then select your activity profile and adjust settings for it by scrolling down to satellite systems. Okay, once you have this option highlighted, press options, and as you can see, we have basically three options. So we can either use Multi GNSS Multiband or Multi GNSS or GPS. So as you can see, this first option will give us the best accuracy at the battery cost, balance between battery cost and the accuracy, so it's slightly less accurate than the first option but also consumes less battery. But if you want the most battery life, to get the most battery life, you have to select the GPS option, or you can simply go with auto select, which is the fourth option on the list, which will automatically adjust systems that you use to detect your location. Or you can disable this option completely by selecting off. So this is where you adjust the satellite systems for your activity profiles. But besides that, we can also select the satellite system for used when the battery saver mode is enabled. And to adjust this setting, we're gonna have to scroll up to the control center, then press options key, navigate down to our battery, then press options key once again, enable battery saver, and scroll down to satellite systems and select which satellite system you want to use for low battery mode. Then you can disable battery saver at any moment, re-enable it, and previously selected satellite system will be active. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.